Good afternoon, my brothers and sisters. How is everyone doing? So, my name is Michelle. I am going to be reading today from a book written by Jim Stevens, and it's called 101 Proofs for God. Now, this is a book that Jim wrote over 6 years, and these stories are really special because they come from inspiration. So let's begin. I'm going to read chapter 14. It's called Empty Space. Scientists tell us that we are made up of mostly empty space. In an atom, there is the nucleus. It is surrounded by the electron or trons, which have properties similar to both a wave and a particle. How much space is there? The current estimate is that the atom is, I'm going to say the numbers, 99.999999999% empty space. There are 13 decimal places to the right of the decimal point. Quite incredible. All of the matter of all the humans on the earth could fit, oh wow, listen to this. All of the matter of all of the humans on the earth could fit inside a sugar cube with room to spare. To get some perspective, take a grain of rice representing an atomic nucleus and place it at the center of a football or baseball field in a large stadium. Then the seats on the outer limits of the stadium would be similar to the area of the electron field of the grain of rice nucleus. However, you need to think about the stadium as being a sphere and not just a horizontal structure, which makes the empty space a whole lot greater. If you took all of the space out of your body, you'd instantly disappear, and it would take a high-powered microscope to be able to find you. Some scientists aren't even sure if there are really protons and electrons anymore. Maybe it's all just energy. Actually, we could say that everything is really mostly nothing, empty space. Everything that we are experiencing as something is really mostly nothing. Hold on, I missed a part. Everything that we are experiencing as something is because of the amount of energy it has, which is oriented in a certain way that we can interact with it and experience it. Without the form that is given to the energy and the invisible laws and principles that operate on the energy, everything would simply collapse into nothing. Where did the invisible form, where did the invisible form, laws, and principles come from? And for that matter, where did the energy come from? if there is an original source before any of this, even time and space, there must be God. Energy, time, space, laws, and principles all came from that original source at the same instant. Can any rational mind really believe that all of this minutely and exquisitely ordered, vastly consistent, awesomely beautiful, extraordinarily complex, and ultimately understandable universe is totally the result of it just happened? Where did it all come from? Simple. There must be God. Okay. Wow. That's incredible. Thank you so much for that, Jim. That is just really incredible. Yes, that was chapter 14 called Empty Space. So, the next one we're going to read about it's chapter 15, and it's called Computers. Okay. So I will see you another time. I wish you all the best. Take care. Good night.